Welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to increase TikTok views, and as you can see on the screen right now, this method truly works. First, let's head over to the website rapidboost.net. This site offers a variety of services to help you enhance your social media presence. Once you're on the site, find the TikTok views section at the top of the page with other social media services. Here, you can choose the number of views you want to receive. The options range from a few hundred to even a few 100,000, so you can pick the amount that best fits your needs. This flexibility allows you to adjust your views as necessary. After selecting the number of views, the next step is to provide your TikTok video details. You can simply copy and paste the link to the TikTok video you want to promote. Make sure it is a link to a specific video and not to your TikTok profile. This will ensure that the order is placed correctly and that the views arrive without any issues or delays. Once you've entered your video details, click Next to proceed. You'll need to fill in some basic details to complete your order. Enter your email address, first and last name, and optionally your country and any notes related to the order. In the summary, you will also see the number and type of services purchased, as well as their price. After filling in your information, click Place Order to move on to the payment page. I'll make the payment now, and I'll see you shortly once the payment is completed. As you can see, the views have arrived on my TikTok video. This method is quick and easy, and you can see the results almost instantly. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.